Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel I2 Tech World. Today we are going to discuss about what is cloud computing and who is using cloud computing. So guys, so let's get started guys. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over internet with pay as you go pricing. Instead of buying, then owning and maintaining physical data center and servers, you can access technology services such as uh, computing power, storage, database on an as needed basis from the cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Okay. So guys, what is cloud computing in AWS? That if you want any resource, it can be EC2 instance, can be storage, EBS volumes, or it can be any databases. So if you need any of these resources, you can directly use AWS and spin up the instance or spin up the volume or spin up the database. Okay. And you have to pay as you use. If you have used that instance or that volume or that database or any of the services or AWS for 10 hours, 12 hours, 20 hours. So you have to pay according to your usage. Okay guys. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is an on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay as you go pricing. Okay, pay as you go means if you have used for 12 hours, you have to pay for 12 hours. Instead of buying or owning and maintaining a physical data center, AWS makes it really simple as if you need any of the resources, if it is an EC2 instance or if it is a storage device or if it is a database, you just if you need those resources, you have to just contact the AWS or log into the AWS console and spin up those resources. Okay, guys. So let's move on to the next concept that who is using cloud computing. Okay, guys. So who will be using cloud computing? Which all companies will be using cloud computing? Who is using cloud computing? Organization of every type, size, and industry are using cloud for a wide variety of use cases such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics, and customer facing web application. For example, healthcare companies are using cloud to develop more personalized treatment for patients. Financial service companies are using the cloud to power real-time fraud detection and prevention, and video game makers are using the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. What it means that every industry in our globe, if it's an hospital, if it is an software development company, or it's an healthcare company, or it's an gaming company, everyone is on cloud today and everyone is using cloud today. So isn't it interesting guys that every company, every industry is using cloud computing in AWS because it is really simple. You are tension free. Organizations are tension free. They have to only pay if they use those resources. There is no maintenance cost. There is no delay in servers. If you want servers, you are getting those servers as on your need. So this simplicity, this cost efficient, these all are the advantages of AWS. And if you use AWS, so you are using cloud computing in AWS. I hope you have understood this easy concept that what is cloud computing in AWS and who all are using cloud computing in AWS guys. So let's meet up in the next video guys. In next video I will be discussing about all the advantages of advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing, and what are the type of clouds. You now do know the definition of cloud computing, who is using cloud computing, but there are three types of clouds also. That that is also really important concept. So I will be covering these concepts in the coming videos, guys. So keep learning, keep growing with us, guys. Do subscribe our channel, do hit the like button. Let's meet up in the next video, guys.